back in the driver's seat of the ship. Rest in peace to Captain Truck. He is no longer with us. We lost a boat boy. The captain of the boat ship. Captain Chuck. Go watch that stream. The Captain Chuck lead the way. It's a good day. It's October, really. You know that thing I was telling you guys about Vicinity? See, ever so often I get out of my vicinity. And me and the fellow bow boys like to call it a cleansing of the spirit. When you're facing those things that you must let go. When you're trying to find a new vicinity in a new direction. It's almost like you're having another awakening, and it's easier when you're in a different vicinity. Like, I know when you took that trip, or you went to that new restaurant, or you went to a new game, even if it's not your team, but you got out of your comfort zone, or you talked to that hot chick at the bar, or whatever it may be, and you put yourself out of your comfort zone, good things happen. Sometimes it's only an hour away from where you're from. The world's such a diverse place, man. But there's a lot more things that make us similar than not. There'll be little things like this, just going out and you being on the boat, man. Just thinking about what changes you need to make. And that's why I like to call it a cleansing of the spirit. Because really it just means that, at least to me. It's been a good morning. I'm already fried. A few backies in, dude. Day off. Soaking some of the water in the sun before it gets brutally cold. The way the world works nowadays, who knows, man? Like, winter might be summer, and summer might be winter before we know it. It might be 98 in December and 30 degrees in June, so you never really know with life nowadays, man, but we're all just living, right? We all just living, trying to get that new scenery, get that new perspective. Trust me. Get out your vicinity. Get out your comfort zone. Go find some piece of paradise, even if it's just for a minute. How many more moments like these do we have left? How many times do we get to see the sun come up like this? And for me, from this perspective, means a lot. Because a lot of times we don't get to see things from new perspectives.